So we're here at McDonald's, but you know I'm quiet because it's kind of embarrassing, you know. So shout out first. We gotta shout out Oasis' sister for hooking us up for some money. You know.
Oh yeah.
We gotta shout out my sister for hooking us up with some large fries that hasn't came yet, but they're coming. Maybe she scammed us. Oh, I can't show you guys the receipt because but we got some fries. He got some fries too. Big Mac. Oh, and Sprite.
Right.
They give us 2 cups. W Man's ranch barbecue. Like, let's get straight into this, guys.
Hold on, look, you gotta take out the pickles.
Oh, and pickles in here. Damn, bro, this patty's so small. Never seen a patty that small. Alright then, though. So what's the time limit, though? We did 30 minutes. The In-N-Out we did 30 minutes, and we failed all of them.
This one not gonna fail though.
We're not gonna.
Stop the cap.
We're gonna fail supposedly because we got a new person. The timer's gonna be somewhere around here, guys. So 30 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Damn! You saw that big bite you took, guys? The burger's pretty small. The chicken one's bigger, I think. Alright, ready?
The first one to use. Well, shit.
No! I should take my ring off. I know, this is gonna get messy, guys. Take my ring off, guys, because so much. Mukbang have ever done. It's already done. Dude. The sauces like get all over the place.
All I did
Did you take one of my hand first?
No, I ate my own jam.
I feel like it's easier to eat these McDonald's burgers than the In-N-Out burgers. The In-N-Out burgers are like more stacked. And these are flatted out. Like, I'm already almost done. He's like on his last bite. So we're gonna stop right now. So no eating, no more eating. Because we're gonna go ask.
One more fries.
Yeah, because we're big bags. So stop timer and we'll be back, guys. Let's go. For the bag, guys. These are large, so. Oh my god, guys. Oh. We'll keep this in the bag till we finish our other fries. We'll take them out. This is a special surprise. Alright, let's continue this challenge.
I'm looking down. I'm done.
Alright, so Waste is gonna fill up back up. We start back up with this 27. Start the timer again. Let's go. Some chicken nuggets, guys. I love McDonald's chicken nuggets, bro. Every time my siblings get a Happy Meal, they never finish the chicken nuggets, so I just steal them, you know? Like, these are one bite.
Inhale that motherfucker. Bro, my panza's like that. I'm like, dong, 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 dong. And then the ones on the hot plates.
On the plate, and then
Damn, full government name.
we'll bleep that. We'll bleep it.
Oh, my stomach.
Bro, wait, you can't back out.
I'm not. But like, it hurts.
I'm still shaking from my workout we did. Like, my body's still like shivering. Like, we did a workout in the gym, guys, for track. Pretty
Intense.
intense. I'm still shaking.
How much your deadlift? 135?
I don't know, it was 45 and 45.
135 too. And then it was 225 for a rep.
And we did 10 for 5 sets.
No, 5 for 10.
Oh. The drink.
My sister's gonna get full.
It gets stuck. I say we take the chicken nuggets out
What?
and leave the fries last, because the fries are the easiest. My top of my tongue is hurting. Like it's all the salt, but we're gonna die. Throw away the trash. Figure.
So,
Alright,
no
guys.
scams, no scams.
He's done with that. Trash. Come on, come on.
God damn.
Think of it like you just came from the Sahara Desert for like 5 weeks and you haven't ate.
I'm dead.
You hungry?
I'd be lying to eat right now. Oh my fucking city.
Look, there's the water tank they use in Mexico.
A tinaco?
Tinaco, guys, show a picture of a tinaco here.
Isn't that
I don't know
no
why.
gains, bro? I'm a small ass on.
You have to see it then.
You can new chat. Can you see that?
Okay, fries down. We should have ate the fries first. That's the worst. It has no flavor.
So they just have flavor.
Huh?
They just have flavor.
I don't taste it. I still got a chicken nugget left. Alright, I'm gonna eat this chicken nuggets and then we have the fries left. Come on, for your family. For family. For your family.
For my family.
David Goggins, Dom Toretto, for the family.
I got family.
What Dom Toretto say right now? Family. Only fries. You can't even see it, that's
I
how
want to throw up on the walk home.
you're walking home.
No, my dad's gonna do it.
I don't know if you guys can see the trash, but that's a lot of trash. Wisconsin, not that much. Look, if we spread it out.
Oh, it's a lot.
No. Hear me out, guys. Hear me out. I know sometimes I say dumb stuff, but hear me out. Hear me out. If we spread it out like this.
I'll spread you up, bro. You up.
Alright. Get out. Get out. If we put it like this, it's gonna be like, oh, it's little. We're gonna eat it faster. But guys, yeah, so we have to finish our drinks. I mean,
Are you finished?
he's probably going for another one too.
Can't.
Alright, guys, finish.
I want a diet, by the way.
What diet? Alright, guys. Speed this clip up of us eating all these fries. Because it's not that much.
There's no point of us doing abs if we're gonna eat this.
We didn't do abs.
You did?
When?
Core?
When?
Wings? The bees?
We'll do it again.
Hell no, bro. We gotta do like
And we gotta win. If we fail, we gotta do that. Right here, too. Come on. Everybody sucks at mukbang, though.
They got ranch. I don't like ranch.
I'm the only good one.
When you eat 24/7, so what the
No, I don't.
I'm finished.
Now, guys, I'm soloing this now. Wait. Oh, imagine you're in the Sahara Desert.
I'm not imagining.
Imagine,
Imagine me at the toilet, bending over.
Kept up with my moves. I was doing like at least a spin every day.
Oh shit, bro. How you eating this much, bro? No, if I actually get up, I'm like, it's gonna be fat. Like, I'm gonna look pregnant. Look. Push me. Nah, don't roast me though. I'm not even sorry.
wow, that's enough. It's coming soon.
Nah, you throw up mine, you're throwing up too. What the Nah, bro.
Do you want this for your family? Your family's gonna be. Oh, it's gonna probably lose it.
I need to get up.
I'm gonna take this home for the team, guys. Well, they call me David Goggins for real. My top of my tongue is hurting. Like it's all the salt, but we're gonna die. Right here, put how many calories it is. All the calories we have, put right here. In 10 minutes, I can chill.
So they move their practices temporarily.
Alright guys, if this doesn't show up in 1 minute, I get a 5-minute penalty. Right? When the timer starts. Right? Now, 1 minute. If he doesn't show up in 1 minute, you get penalty. You gotta show, bro. These fries are hitting me.
He said, lucky for you.
Why'd I say that?
You just don't ever really do it.
It needs to show up. No.
So they start in the little quad area, walk along the side, right in that gap, 280 and the
5-minute penalty, guys. Use the mic. 4 minutes, guys. 4 minutes.
And I went to my room. Like, we were there for like 5 minutes every time I
We might be good, guys. Come on.
and walk over and talk.
She's like, I'm gonna go, and she keeps on walking away, and I just feel like,
So then I would stop. So I did this now because I was adult.
Hurry up, eat those last two. Eat those last two. No, matter of fact, eat those last 4. Last 4, come on.
That one has ranch.
Oh, yeah, I did. Completed the challenge, guys. Oh, because of me.
Alright. I'll be honest, I just went to the restroom to go burp. Because I had a big old burp.
Alright, guys, like, there's so many fries. And I ate them all. We had like 2 minutes to spare, I think. Pretty sure. Yep. 2:58. Exactly 3 minutes. I'm pretty sure exactly 3 minutes. What do you guys say this is?
He did a lot of the work on the fries. I went to the restroom to go burp.
The top of my mouth hurts because of all this salt. But we're gonna have diabetes. We completed this mukbang. I pushed through. Waist pushed in the toilet.
No, not like that. I just went to the restroom to go burp because I had a big ass burp. I still have it.
We finished our drinks. Oasis will count it because he finished his first one, and it doesn't really have anything.
What you waiting for?
See, it doesn't have anything, guys. You can hear, look.
Nothing.
Nothing. Even the eyes, bro. He even drank the eyes, bro. That's crazy. Calories somewhere in the corner. Fries. Medium. No, small?
And medium.
Medium fries. 10 chicken nuggets. 1 Big Mac. Another medium fries. Another Big Mac. Another 10-piece chicken nugget.
Large fry.
Large fries. Sprite. Barbecue. Ranch. And I think that's it. That's a lot of calories. I bet you it's more than 40,000. 40,000 calories.
No, not even 52.
Yo, we're fat. 40,000 calories?
It's not 40,000.
No, it's gonna count, guys. We don't know what I'm pretty sure. It's gonna pop green or something if I'm right or wrong. It's calling me. That's my alarm. To read my Bible, because God, no. Amen.
You couldn't even pray before the food.
I forgot. We didn't eat it, see? God's already on our side.
Oh, whoa, my stomach still hurts.
Bro, thank the Lord for giving us some good immune systems and big bellies.
Bro, I have a big belly on.
No, it's because the thing, my brain wants more food, but my stomach doesn't.
Oh, I feel like a pregnant woman right now. Like that's how my.
I know. Actually, I can go for more.
You're fucking fat.
I can go for more.
fucking fat.
My stomach doesn't want to go for more, but my brain wants to go for more.
Both of them say no.
My brain wants more. If my brain says more, I want more.
Comment down below if he's chatting.
I'm not chatting, guys. I'm being dead ass. I'll eat another Big Mac. Maybe slowly, but I'll eat it. I'll eat another. Alright, guys, but we'll see you guys in the next video.
Follow the TikTok.
TikTok.
Yeah, my TikTok.
Alright.
We'll look up my video.
Put it up here, guys.
Look, if you forgot it.
We'll put it up here, though. Somewhere.
Yeah, he'll put it up there.
TikTok, Instagram, whatever. Go follow. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Comment down below. Like I said, like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one. You guys say anything else? Peace. More mukbangs coming out.
I got family.